guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This is our 11th this is the 11th episode in our e-commerce application that we've been building. Okay, so finally today we are going to be adding information to our database. We're going to be adding our products to our database. So let's just get started and save time. Okay, so in our previous tutorial we worked on this adding products, and we kind of make sure that we don't have a null field and everything is set properly. When we click on this, we have to add images and every other thing. So these are the things we were taking care of we took care of in our previous tutorial. Okay, now in this tutorial, now let's actually add this information to our database. Now for us to do it, now we have to now this is what we do first. Okay, now we here is this. Remember that this previous code is to verify this to verify that the fields are not null. Verify fields are not null. So let me just rename it to verify fields not null. Okay, sorry, let's just leave it to add new products. Okay, let's just leave it to add new products. So now below here, now since everything here, it will check all this code, all these lines of code, to make sure everything has been done properly, and to make sure that nothing is null, nothing is empty, and everything that should be. So the next thing is I want to create a map. Okay, now this map, now I'll call this map I'll call it new product. Okay, now inside this new product, I'll say is equals to just create a map. Okay, now we have a product title, we have product price, we have product description, we have product category, we have color, size, and nothing. Okay, and images. Okay, so what we want to do first, now we'll come to this our app. We have to come to our app data. Okay, now we have to come to our app data. Then we'll call this products information, product details. Okay, now we want product title. We want to have a product title. Okay, what's wrong with my typing today? Okay, we want to have product title, we want to have product price, product description, product category, product color, and product size. So we just duplicate this, and here we have here will be product price. Okay, here also here will be product description. Okay, here now will be product category. Okay, here now will be product color. Here now will be product size. Okay, then there's one more thing here. We have product images. Images. Okay, now these are the things we have here. Okay, now let's go back to our add products, where we're adding products. Now what we now have to do here now is we now say product. We'll say product title, and now you know that our product title is our product controller. We have to get from our product controller. Why can't we find this controller here? Okay, yes, sorry. Product title dot text. Okay, now for our product price, okay, there's a mistake somewhere. this should be product title, this should be product price. Okay, product title, okay, product, this product price, the text. Then the next one will be product cart, which is here. Okay, sorry, product description. This should be product description. Okay, then we now have products. Okay, let me rename this to product title controller. Okay, okay, now we've got it. Now this will get the information from every from the individual controllers. Title, price, and description. Okay, then also we now have to product we have to get our product category, which will be selected category. Okay, then product color will be selected color. Okay, product size will be selected size. Okay, then let's add one more thing. Okay, now this is as good as it is for now. This is as good as we are going to go for now. Okay, now with this information, now we need to add this information now to our database. We need to add this information containing our product title, product description, product category, price, size, and all of that. So what I have to do now, I'll come to my my Firebase methods. Sorry, no, my app methods in my tools. My app methods. Inside my app methods now, I'm going to create another method, and I will call it to take in I want it to return a string, because the string is going to hold the user, is going to hold something there. So I will say add new, I'll call it add new product. Okay, now this new product now is going to take in a map. Okay, now product. Okay, taking a map, I'll call it new product. Okay, now this is going to, okay, let's see. Okay, no, it won't return a string. Let us just make it return a boolean. Let's leave that as a string. Add new product. So to take in this map, then we'll come into our Firebase methods, and since it's an abstract class, we have to implement it here. Okay, now what this code is going to do now is it is going to there's one more thing that we should add here. There's one more thing we should add here, because when we're pushing it, we don't have the document ID, so you need to return a document. You need to return a document ID. Okay, now this is what we're going to do now to add this into the database. You know the normal way we created our user. The normal way we created our user, this same way. So what we are going to do now is, to avoid errors, we'll just copy this like as it is here. Okay, we'll come down here and we'll paste it. So now this is going to be an asynchronous method, since it's a feature. Now what we are going to do now is we are going to try and catch. We are going to try this assumption and catch the error. So we don't need, we just need this, and every other thing here we don't need. Okay, sorry, this refuse to clean. Okay, something like this. Okay, now we now have to, instead we have to create a new database, and we'll call it products, app products. Okay, app products, user data, user collection. Okay, now we'll now come here. Now instead of user data, we'll now put app product, because this is a product we want to add. Now we don't have the document ID, because we don't even know the, we have a document, we didn't generate any document ID. So we just delete this, and here now we'll now replace this thing to add. And since we already have a map that we've created in our previous listing, and the name of the map is new product, so we just add new product. Okay, now after doing this, now we want to get the document ID. So let me check something. Future document reference is equals to this. Future document reference is equals to, okay, now, okay, string. Now this string now is going to give us the document ID. We want to use string to hold our document ID, and here also we want to return our document ID here also. Error message. Sorry, let me confirm something. Okay, return error message. Return error message. E dot. Okay. Let's leave employee from assumption, return error message. Okay, now. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let's dot then. Okay, now this then now is going to take in a document, is going to take in a document reference. Okay, now what I want this document ID now will be equals to document reference dot ID, the document ID. Okay, document reference dot document ID, and let me confirm something. Okay, let's see. This is what I'm doing here. String. Okay, add new products. After adding new product, this is our method, add new products. Now what it does now is to create a collection, add products, and add the new product inside the add products. Then also after adding, once it's successful, it's going to return a document ID. So let's cut this out. Let me see. Let me get rid of this. Okay, it's going to return a document ID. Okay, now after returning a document ID, I just want this guy to return a document ID. Okay, so this is what it's going to do. Add new product, awaits collection dot, okay, add new product document ID. Good. Okay, now there's still one more method I want to add here. One more this thing here inside this our app methods. This app method now will now be will now have another one. We call it update images to product. Set product images. Okay, let me call it set product image. Okay, now this set product image now is going to take in let's see. Okay, let it take in let it take a string. Let it take a string. Set product images and map. Okay, is it taking a map? What does it do? Okay, just give me a second. Let me cross check something. Upload images. Okay, upload images. It returns a list. It first of all upload the image. After uploading the images, it now returns a list of images. Okay, document ID awaits this. Okay, document iOS map. After it takes in, okay, it takes the document ID and add images to it. Okay, okay. Okay, upload product images. Now these product images, now it takes in an integer, it takes in a map which takes an integer and an int and a file. Then what is going to, here is going to be images, image list. Then to take a document, it will now take a document ID. Okay, let me see. Okay, upload images, then returning a list. We have app methods, firebase methods. Okay, now this list returning an images URI. Okay, list of images. Okay. Now this would return a list of images, upload images. Then let's come to our firebase method and let's implement it here. Okay, okay, upload images. Now please, you have to excuse me, I have to copy this code, then I'll explain what this code does here. Okay, I have to import firebase storage, and I don't think we have firebase storage imported yet in this our code. Is there anything like error? Okay, now to use images, to upload images to the firebase console, we need to add a plugin for it, and the name of the, sorry, not this file, the name of the plugin, firebase storage. Okay, yes, we already have firebase storage imported here. So let's see what the problem is. Firebase app methods, storage reference. Okay, so let's import it manually. Okay, firebase storage. Okay, now this is what we want to do. Okay, we have our image, we have list of images we want to upload to the database, because if you remember, when you click on add image, to pick an image, you're adding an image. This is added to a list. It's added to a list. When you click again, add another image, it's added again to the list. So all these are list of images. So we are uploading list of images to the database, and we want to return the list of that particular image that we are uploading with the image URI. We just want to return the list of the image URI. Okay, now how I was able to solve this code was, and now I put this inside the try and catch, so that whenever there's an error due to the platform, probably iOS or Android, it will tell me that there's an error. Okay, now this, there's a for loop here. Now this for loop is going to loop through this image list, After looping through this image list, while looping through this image list, it's going to create a storage reference. Now this storage reference now is going to take fire storage reference equals to storage reference firebase storage dot instance dot reference. Now the child, now I'm giving it, now the child now is going to be instead of this here, is going to be app products. Okay, app products. Then the is also going to have another child, that is the document ID. The document ID. Then I now added again for each particular image, so that each image will be different, but with just the index number. Each image will be different with just the index number. So storage reference firebase storage dot get dot instance dot reference, then dot child app product dot child document ID, then dot child now document ID plus this index. This s now is this position, the position it is in the list. Now I want you to put the file I want you to put is this image list and this position here. Then I also want to get the download URI. So this has to be an asynchronous method to get the download URI. Okay, now it has to tell me whether it is successful, or it's not successful. So if it's successful, if there's an error, it's going to also add, it's also going to add to the list that there's an error. So I have to come to my app data and add some other things here. Okay, we have successful and error. Let me add error here. Okay, then here, okay, good. So what this code does, let me recap again. What this code does is to loop through the list that we want to upload. For each item we are uploading, we are giving it a document ID. We are giving a document ID. So when we upload an item to the storage, to Firebase Cloud Store, we get the document ID from the collection. Then also we use that document ID now to push the images under it. Then there's one more thing we have to do here. We also have to update. We have to create a feature. Let me see whether I have it here. Upload images. Is there upload images? Add service. Update service. Update service images. Okay, something like this. Okay, update product images. Okay, if you don't understand, as before I finish up this tutorial, you'll be able to understand it. So please just be patient with me. Okay, here my app methods. Okay, my Firebase method. I need to import this abstract, create this. Okay, Firebase methods, upload service image, find update service. Okay, now this upload images, now what it does now is with the document ID is going to update the image, update the image. It goes to the collection app products. Now with document ID, now it's going to update that data, or that data product images, and put the data inside them. Now when it's complete, it's going to return true. It's going to return the message true. That is when it is complete. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, now the first thing we want to do now is to add this information to the database. So to do that, all we need to do now is we have firebase method here. No, do we have our firebase method here? No, we don't have our firebase method here. So let's get our app methods into this our code. Okay, let's get our app methods into this our code so that it won't be difficult for us. Okay, now we have add new product, and it takes in a string. So I will say here, I will say string document. Okay, and this has to be since it has to be an asynchronous method, so we have to await um app methods dot add new product. Okay, now this new product is going to be this new product. Okay, now let's see, add new products. Now firebase method, we have add new product. Okay, now from what I said before, this add new product, simply what it does is just to add a new product inside database and get the ID of the product we are adding. Okay, now after getting the product we are adding, the next thing we have to do now is to upload the upload images. Okay, now okay, we have to now is to upload the images. Okay, now we'll now create a boolean. I'll call it response is equals to await app methods dot upload product images. Okay, now we now have the document ID, which is this product ID that we already have here. Okay, then image list. The image list now is going to be our image. You have an image list, or you have an image list already. A string cannot be assigned to. Okay, sorry. List cannot be assigned to it. Let's see, why is this error here? Okay, add list. Okay, okay, now after uploading the images, now this is to get the why as map. No, now I'm not using a map, I'm using a list. So this is just a list. I'm using a list. a list has a position, so a list has a position, so this should just be a list. Okay, and this list is taking a file inside. So in our Firebase methods, we still have to come and do the same thing here. Take it out and just give it a normal list. Okay, now this now time to upload images to Firebase. Now this guy now, what he does now is from this product from this product ID we've gotten here, we upload the images with this product ID. Now if you check this our Firebase method, you see that uploading images is just the same, this code we did here. We get the ID, we use the ID, look through the image list, and for each image list add the ID to it and all of that. Okay, now after adding the image list, now we also remember that we have to check if there's an error, if an error occurred while uploading the images. So that's what we did here. Okay, that's what I did here. Let me copy this and let me just explain it. Okay, now after uploading the image, now here now is to check if an error occurred. To check if an error occurred while adding the image to Firebase storage. That is if it contains an error. Now if it contains an error, now we now have to, we've not imported this showing in snack bar, haven't we? We have a show in snack bar, show snack bar. Okay, we have a show snack bar, not showing snack bar. Okay, now if an error occurs, return, and we just return it and tell us an error occurred. So I forgot to add something here. Show the progress. Okay, now if an error occurred, we have to terminate the code here. We terminate the code here if error occurred. Okay, now if no error occurred here, we'll continue to this other place, and this other place now is just we update the images. We update the product images to the Firebase. So now updating the image takes in a list of, takes document ID and takes in a string. Okay, list of images. So we have to pass in the product ID. Okay, we pass in the product ID, then images URI. Okay, we just updated the image, we just updated information after uploading the image file to the storage. Okay, now if this task was successful, we just have to close the progress dialog, then also show in snack bar product added successfully, or we also show in snack bar an error occurred, contact developer. Okay, Now this reset everything. Now all this reset everything does is simply to let me just create the method reset everything. It takes in the product title. Okay, okay, this is what it's going to do. Then product price, the same thing. Product description, the same thing. Okay, image list dot clear. Okay, clear the images. Clear the image. Okay, then products, selected product, selected category is equals to select product category. Okay, here now is going to be select a color. Okay, here now will be select a size. Okay, selected size, selected color. Okay, so this reset everything is just to make every field blank, to reset it back to normal, reset it back to the default. Then I don't think there's any other thing. Let's test and see if we will get an error or if we won't get an error. So let's just give it a try and let's hope for the best. Okay, now before doing that also we have to come to our console, come to your storage. Okay, when you come to your storage, you have to kind of enable it. Okay, you have to click on get started, otherwise it will give you an error. To give you an error, most people don't know that if you don't enable it, to give you an error. So now I've enabled it. Let's get started. Okay, let's the first thing we want to add, let's google let's see what we'll add first to our store. um okay, girls, let's google girls tops. Okay, let it open. Let's find just 4 images on it. And sorry about how slow it is, just my network. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, I will just select this this one. Okay, let it load. Hopefully it should load. I don't know what's wrong with my network, but it should load. Okay, I think it has. So I'll just copy image, copy link address. Okay, copy image address. Then I just want to reduce the image. How do you do that in URL? Okay, and to shorten the URL. shorten the URL because the URL will just be so long. So sorry, I don't even need to copy it. I just need to download it. Save image. Save image as. Okay, save image. I'll just come to my desktop. I'll just let me create a new folder. E-commerce. E-commerce images. Okay, I'll create. Then inside here now, just okay. Let me just cancel. Let me save it here as top. Top, probably the top will have a particular name, so I'll call it let me see what the name is called here. Girls girls pop over. Girls pop over. So let me save it again. Girls pop over. Then put it under this category as tops, please. Okay, and save. Okay, now let me try if this actually worked. I will come to my desktop, e-commerce images, tops. Okay, then I want to add this into the emulator so that I'll be able to find it. I think it has added. I don't know. Let me see. Let's see if that's added here. Okay, it has added here. Let's go back. Go back. Okay, come back to this. Okay, clear and clear. Let's see whether we'll find it. Oh, we have it here. Okay, let's see and wish me luck. Okay, now let me review the whole of this code again. Okay, add products. Then I'll call here is girls pop over. Product price, I'll say 2,500. Okay, description, I'll say beautiful. Okay, and here I'll say pop over style. Okay, I can also say comes in different. I don't know what's wrong with. Okay, just want to go to the next line. I'll figure out what's wrong with it later. So I'll say comes in different. No, let me resolve this thing here. Let me resolve what's wrong with it. Why it doesn't want to go to the next line. So product description, height 180. Then the maximum products. Let me see. Okay, product text controller text and type input plus text. Okay, then something like maximum lines. You have maximum lines. You have maximum length. Maximum lines. If maximum lines. Okay. Okay, I would want to add one more thing here. I want to add one more thing here to this product text field, and it's going to be I think it's going to be an integer. I'll say maximum lines. Okay, then here now I'll now say here maximum lines. If maximum, is this an integer? Yes. If maximum lines is equals to null, if equals to null, just return null. Return null. Otherwise, just give me the maximum lines. Okay, let me see what this will give me. Hope it doesn't crash. Okay, so now in this product description, maximum lines, I'll give it 4. Okay, hopefully it works. Let's see. Comes in different colors and sizes you would love. Okay, now the product category I'll select is under product, is under the top. So I'll say all colors, then here I'll say all sizes. If I click on add, it tell the images cannot be empty. So here I'll now have to add this image, and I want to add 4 of these images 4 times because I don't have 4 copies of these images. Bear with me. So probably your client will have 4 different images or different images of the item he wants to populate in his database, in his store. So I'm just adding these images 4 times. Okay, then let's see. Let's see if this is going to work. Let me click on add product. There is already an error somewhere. It's saying something dynamic, firebase method dynamic, which is this add new product. Okay, now let me find where the error is coming from. Okay, firebase string add add service. Okay, now we're saying dynamic is not a subtype of string and dynamic. So I just copy this string dynamic and come to this add products here that we have here and change this to this. What I'll change here to be a string dynamic, and I'll save, and hopefully I just pray we don't get another error. Okay, let's see if it's going to upload. Oh, I pray it does. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for it to load. Let's see if it's going to upload. Wow, product added successfully. Woohoo! So guys, it worked. I think we've had our product has been added to our database. So I don't know why this our database is not loading. Let's check our storage, and hopefully we'll see it in our storage. Hopefully we'll see the images we added to our storage. Let's see. Okay, Good. You see, we have our app products here. Now inside our app products here, we have a document ID. We have an ID. Good. Now inside this ID now, we will now have those list of images, but will be added to it. At the end of it will be 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 or so. 0 1 2 3. So for each one we click on, we will see, you should see the image. It should come out here, but I don't know, network probably is bad. Let's see. Okay, now if you copy this now and come to a new tab and paste it here, you should see that image. You should see the image. I didn't tell you to download. I didn't say download. I just wanted to. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on now, show me. Storage location, download URI. Okay, let's see this downloaded URI. Let's open it. This downloaded image. Let's see what it was. You see, it is the image we upload to our database. It's the image we upload to our database. So if this guy hasn't opened by now, so if we come back to our database, we should see it here, but I don't know what is wrong with my network. I don't know what's wrong with my network, so let's just be patient and see if it's going to load. So if you guys observe closely, every information here has been cleared. It has been cleared back to normal, apart from these images, which I don't know why it did not clear, but it's a minor error and I can resolve it. So now if you check here, you can our products, you see we have this. Now we now see we have our product images. Are you seeing it? Okay, we have our product price, we have product size. It's like so. Our product category, tops. So everything for now is good to go. Let me check why this thing did not clear. Image list dot clear. It should clear. It should clear. It did not clear. Okay, it actually cleared. It cleared, but I did not remind it to set the state that it has cleared. So that's what happened. Let's see, it should go. Okay, it cleared. It cleared. I didn't set the state. Okay, so we've been able to add that to our database, so there is no problem with that. So we can also come back here now. Now let's see if we'll be able to load that information here on this our store. So we have to come to our home page. Okay, now we'll come to our home page. What are we going to do? We have a flexible, we have a gravy builder and all of that. Okay, now this is what we are going to get. We are going to get rid of something here. Okay, don't be scared, it's just a minor stuff. Okay, now what we are going to do now, inside this flexible, we are going to remove this flexible. Okay, remove this flexible, and we are going to replace it with a new stream builder. Okay, so this builder now is going to take in is going to take this parameter. Is going to take in what does it even take again? Let's see. Okay, let me just leave this file here. Okay, now I would want to add something. Let me do it here. new stream builder. Okay, just give me a second. Just give me a second. Let me flexible new stream builder. Okay. Okay, now this is actually what I wanted to know. What does the stream do? Okay, you have a stream, you have a builder, and this builder takes in a context and a snapshot. Okay. Okay, now let's see a builder and a snapshot. Okay, now we'll now have to do a new, let's put this a new flexible. This is our home page, a new flexible. Then this child now is going to take in a new stream builder. Okay, now this builder now is this what the builder is going to take. The builder will take in a context and will take in a snapshot. To take in a content and to take in a snapshot. Hopefully don't give me an error, please. I'm still working on you. Okay, fine, you gave me an error. Okay, now inside here, now this is what you should do inside this stream builder. So let me see. Okay, snapshot, build schema. It doesn't have, it has data, build schema, and all of that. Okay. And set account and return a new data account. The customers are return a new, not available yet. Yes. Okay, now a stream builder is used to connect to a stream of data. A stream builder connects to a stream of data. Like in Java, we have event listeners. Event listeners that are similar to stream builders in the sense that these stream builders will listen for changes in data continuously. When the data is removed and when it is added, it should just keep listening for it, listening to that stream of data. Okay, now this okay now what I did here now is we now this it takes in the builder takes in a snapshot. It takes a snapshot and takes a context. Now this snapshot, and now say if the snapshot does not have any data, return a new circular, return a new center, and just keep loading at the center. Just keep on loading at the center. Okay, it doesn't have any data, keep loading at, it's just a progress dialog loading at the center continuously. Otherwise, if it has data, that is what the else is for. Now, and I say data count is equal to snapshot dot data dot document dot length. Okay, that's to get the length of the data. Now, I don't want to print this. Okay, let's leave it. Now, if the data count is equal to 0, what I simply displayed here is no product available. I'll say no product available yet. Okay, then please check back later. Then otherwise, if there is a product, this is what it should do. It should build the list of products. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I hope I'm not talking too fast. Now, a flexible connects to a stream of data. Although this builder is not complete yet, now it connects to a stream of data. This is the stream. Okay, now the stream now is going to, I'm going to use Firestore. Let's see. Okay, let me get my Firestore ready, please. Okay, let me get it ready. Firestore dot instance. Okay, now it is ready. I'll now say Firestore dot dot collections, and the collection I'm looking for now is app products dot snapshots. I just want to get the snapshots of it, of the app products. Okay, now this is just listening to the app products, the collection app products, and just give me a snapshot of what is inside the app products. Okay, give me a snapshot of what is inside the app product. Then here now, okay, now this is where I need this grid view builder and all of that. This is where I need this grid view builder. So I'll just take this this grid view builder, return new. Okay, now I don't need this anymore. Okay, return this view. This is what I need right now. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, okay. What else do I need to do? Okay, let's see what it's going to give us. Let's try to run this code. It's going to crash. Yeah, because new container height and all of that, stream, return an empty space and all of that, so it's going to crash. So I want to remove this widget, remove this widget also. Let's find what's the error form. It's a flex, blah blah blah. Let me rebuild this. Please don't give me an error. What is wrong? What's wrong? There's an error somewhere. In stream builders, snapshots, let's return new. If this that is okay, it should return. This is where the problem is. So I should return a new grid view builder. Oh, let's check it again. Something is wrong here. Something is wrong. So let's see. Session build, incorrect parameters, notification listener. Session was thrown. Where was it thrown? Where was it? Where was the error? Where is the error? Where is the error? Incorrect use of parent data. Flexible widgets must be placed inside a flex widget that has no ancestors. Flexible. Let me remove this flexible and return a new stream builder. Better. Okay. The problem was from the stream, from that flexible I used there. So obviously I don't even know the use of that flexible there. Okay, now if you check here, we have just the data count is 1. I said print data count is 1. So let me tidy this code so that the code will be understandable. Okay, so I'll come down here and I will say I'll create a widget, no data found. Okay, now this no data found will just be this return. I'll copy this no data found. and replace it where we have this okay, no data found. Okay, now we have this grid builder and all of that, so I will just copy this new gesture detected, copy this out. Okay, call it build products. Okay, then create method build project is a widget, so this will take like this and we save. So I think it's more cleaner this way, it's better this way, so our stream builder, firebase, collection of snapshot, then we have build products, store length and all of that. So grid view. Okay, now what this thing should have been, this store item, instead of this store length, is should just be this it should be data count. Now data count will just be one because there's just one item in the database. Now let us continue. Now when we come to our build products, now we'll come down here. Now we want to get the information that it has. Let's get the information that this snapshot has. We also need a snapshot. Actually, we need a snapshot. Let me confirm something. Okay, build list item. Okay, document, build list item. We need a snapshot of the information too. Snapshot. Okay, it would have been better if we did it this other way. Okay, and look okay. Okay, now these are we now have this document. So let's check if we will actually get the image that we have here. So now the image we have here we replace with a network image and this. So here I will now replace this thing with, I always want the image, the first image. One is first image, so I'll replace with the document. Okay, then we have product images. Sorry, no, it won't work this way. For us to get the images, let's follow this procedure I have here. Okay, we have to get the image here. Service image is equals to document, then here product image. Product image is as, okay, here product image. So here now that we have something about network image, we'll just replace here now with product image 0, and let's hope for something. Okay, hope we don't have an error. Hope we don't have an error. We don't have an error. Data count. one and all of that. I think we have an error somewhere. Let me see. Service service image. Service image, and this service images, just choose 0, and it's not working. Okay, let's just go back and see. Something is wrong. Let's see what went wrong. Okay, there's a problem here, I think. Come on now, what went wrong? What is it? We have an error somewhere, but to where we do not have to do this. Okay, let's see. Let's try and find out where the problem is coming from. Store items and products, build products. Oh, oh, fine. Okay, this is where our problem was coming from. Just have to be careful so that we will not be able to encounter all these small problems. All these small problems can make coding be a little bit difficult, but it's part of the code. So now let's continue. Okay, so here now we product image. Okay, so here product images. Okay, so here now I'll replace it with product image, and let's hope for product image and 0. Let's hope that we get it right. Let's rebuild and see. Okay, we're waiting for our product image to load. I don't know if we have data to load it. I don't think we have data to load our product images. I don't think we have data to load our product images, but from what I'm seeing here, our product image has actually loaded. It has actually loaded. To also prove to you that it has loaded, we will check this here. We also we will check here to prove to you that it has loaded. I'll replace here now with document. Okay, document, and I will replace with the product title. And let's hope for something different. Oops. It said blah blah blah. It said tried calling item name and oh sorry, a small something there. Okay, we have it here. We have our gear list. If we check our database, we have gear list. What do we call it? Products. What do we call it? Gear list popover. Gear list popover. We have our gear list popover here. We have our gear list popover here. So I think that's wonderful. So before I close, let me rebuild here. let me make here a little bit better, because I'm not even seeing this text and it's not right. It's not right. So what I'll do here, I'll remove this guy here. Okay. Okay, then I'll replace this thing, wrap in a roll, and remove this widget. Okay, let's see. Get bottom overflow 17 pixel. Okay, so let's see. Now container is 35. Okay, we give this in a width, and now the width we are giving it here is I think 150.0. Is that the width? What's the width of this our products? Oh, let's see products. Okay, guess, let's see. Okay, new card 150, width is 150. Okay, okay, height and width. Okay, what of this height? Let's remove this height. Okay, no problem, it's not a problem. So there's something here, something you have here, aspect ratio. So aspect ratio, let me see, 0.1, 0.9, 75, 7, 85. Okay, now I just changed the aspect ratio so that we'll get something, we'll have enough space to ourselves. Okay, then the next thing I would want to do here, is make this thing work well. There's this container. What is wrong? What is wrong? Okay, here main axis um dot center. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Remove this padding everywhere. Okay, remove this padding everywhere, and let me see the width 150.0 and see why 150.0 is that not enough? Okay, for now let's just leave it like this. So we just have one item in our database. I hope it doesn't crash. Okay, we just have one item in our database. So, and that is what we have here. So now when you click on this item, now you're going to send in data here. You're going to send in some data here. So that let me see how quick I can work with that. Okay, here now the item image should be list of images, but I don't know why I have. Let me just replace ones I can replace now. Okay, I have document. Okay, product title. I don't need the item name for anything. Product title. Click on it. We'll have our product. Get this pop over. Then there is this subname document. Okay, product category. Okay, now this subname, I need to see where this subname is. Okay, the subname is there, so let me also add the price. Also the price, product price, then there should be description. There's no description here, so um description. Okay, find my item. So here will now be widget dot description, item description. So here I will now put item description. Let's see, item description. Okay, now here I'll put here this dot item description. Okay, this dot item subname. Item subname is already here. Sorry. Oh, okay, let's see. The string is not as string is not a subtype of double. Where is the error coming from? Made a mistake somewhere, which is here. We get the item description. String is not a subtype of double. Product description. What is wrong? Item description. Let's try to see what's wrong with this thing here. So description, item string description. Let's try again. String is not a subtype of double. Did I? Product deck is a string now. Product deck. Okay, string, item description, home page. We have item description is product deck. Okay, it's from the price. Let's see our price. Let's see our price and let's know why it's item price is double, and here we should let's replace this one with just a string. Okay, it's from the item. Okay. So now we can come here now and add list. Okay, now this list now will now say product. We say item images. Okay, now here I'll now say this dot item images. Okay, then where we have this list, subname, price, rating, then you have this container that has these images. So now we'll now say widget dot image item images dot length. Okay, then we will now pass in network image widget dot item image. Okay, widget dot item image. Then there's one other, there's this image we have here, description. Okay. New stack, we have image, then widget dot item image. Item images. And then we have an index, so we put it like this. So then there's this image at the background that we have here. Okay, there's this image at the background that we have here, that item image. Okay, so what we have here now will now be product image 0. Okay, then item images product image. Okay, and we save. Let's see. Okay, so let's check, let's do. Okay, so let's end here. So guys, thank you guys for watching. In our next tutorial we will populate more data here in this our store. So for now we've added it to the database and we've been able to read data from database. Sorry that the image is not showing, that's from my data. I don't know what's wrong with my subscription right now, but hang on a second, let me see if it's going to work. I don't know what's wrong with my subscription right now, but I would work towards that. Let me try it again. It's not yet. Okay, wonderful. Okay, it has loaded. So guys, I think we are making progress. So in our next tutorial we would actually add more images and try to make this UI a bit, let's make it better and forge forward. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment box below. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for my next tutorial.